In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform on your website. To begin, make sure you're on a computer with a reliable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser on your PC. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge are all good options. Keeping your browser up to date helps the site load smoothly and ensures all features work as expected. In the address bar at the top, type typeform.com and press enter. This takes you straight to Typeform's homepage. From here, log into your account. Use your normal credentials, and if you've enabled extra security, complete that step as prompted. If you ever run into login issues, try the password reset link or ensure you're on the correct workspace. Once you're in, open the form you want to embed. You'll find it in your workspace dashboard. If you have a lot of forms, use the search bar or sort options to locate the right one quickly. It's a good habit to give your forms clear names so they're easy to find later. With your form open, look for the Share option. It's typically located near the top of the editor. Click Share to access all the ways you can distribute your form. This area is designed to help you reach your audience through links, social channels, and website integrations. Inside the Share section, choose Embed. This is where Typeform provides the tools to place your form directly on a web page. You'll see multiple embed styles. Standard places the form in line within your page content, which is great for articles, landing pages, or support sections. Full page fills the entire browser window, ideal for focused campaigns. Pop-up opens the form in a new window when triggered, and Slider presents it in a panel that slides in from the side, which can be a subtle way to invite responses without interrupting the page flow. Select Standard or pick Full Page, Pop-up, or Slider if one of those better matches your goals. You'll typically see a preview so you can visualize how it will appear. This helps you confirm you've chosen the format that best fits your site's layout and user experience. When you're ready, click Copy Code. This copies the embed snippet to your clipboard. It's a small piece of code that tells your website where to load the form from and how to display it. Keep it handy and store it somewhere safe if you're not using it immediately. That's it. You've opened your browser, gone to Typeform, logged in, opened your form, navigated to Share, selected Embed, chosen your preferred format, and copied the code so it's ready for your project.